today we're going to show you how to make spring roll. First of all, we got a pan. We're going to add a little bit of oil in the pan. Then we're going to add some garlic. But most of the recipes, you're going to see they use the shiitake mushroom. I'm not going to use the shiitake mushroom. I'm going to use some button mushroom instead. Then we're going to put our carrot. Some cabbage. Spring onion. Mushroom. Some bean sprouts. Some peppers. Look at the beautiful color. Now we're going to season it. This is light soya. Light soya does the job for the saltiness. So when you add the salt to it, you're a little bit careful. Dark soya, that does the job for the color. You're going to add a little bit of oyster sauce. Tiny bit of sesame oil to give you beautiful flavor to it. Now I'm going to put lots of pepper to it. We don't want to overcook it. We're just going to take it out because I want the crunch on the vegetable in the same time. Viewers, we're going to take it off now and we leave it to cool before we put it in the spring roll shape. Viewers, now we're going to put our spring rolls. Then we're going to wrap them. We're going to fold them like that. Make sure. Then you're going to roll it up. At the end, we're going to put some glue. Viewers, we roll some of the spring rolls. Now we're going to fry them in a hot oil, 170 degrees Celsius for a few minutes until the phyllo pastries are nice, crisp. Now we're going to put it in the oil. Now we're going to fry them. Or if you want to bake it, feel free to bake it as well. But we're going to fry them. Now we're going to turn them over. Viewers, now we're going to take them off. Viewers, we're going to take them off now. Oh, look at that, how crispy and crunchy they are. Wow. Viewers, that's my beautiful spring rolls. Look at that, how beautiful they look. Wow, they must be crispy and crunchy. I will show you how crunchy they are. Look at them. Oh, look how beautiful they look. I can't resist. Let's try them. Lovely, yummy and delicious.